Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload images to Firebase storage quickly and easily. So this is useful for storing images securely before connecting the upload feature to your app or website. So first, I want you to open the Firebase console and sign in using the Google account connected to your project. And once you reach the project overview page, go to the menu on the left side, open the database and storage section, then select storage. So Firebase storage is designed to store images, videos, and other files uploaded by users. If Firebase asks you to upgrade your pricing plan, click upgrade project to continue. So this means that billing must be enabled before storage can be used. Next, choose a pricing plan that fits your expected usage. Check the storage and bandwidth limits and then set a budget alert in the Google Cloud billing if needed. Then select an existing cloud billing account. And if you do not have one yet, create a new account, enter the required details, add a payment method, and confirm your country and your currency. And once billing is connected, return to Firebase, and then storage should now be active and allowing you to set up your bucket, security rules, and Firebase SD key. So for better security, only allow signed in users to upload files. Test the setup with small images first to make sure that everything works correctly. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.